Ever feel like your house is always messy no matter how much you clean? Dishes pile up, laundry multiplies, and the dust just won't disappear. But what if I told you there's a way to keep your home sparkling with minimal effort? Stick around and I'll show you how to develop a cleaning routine that actually works. But first, hit that subscribe button and like if you're ready to change the way you clean. 1. The never-ending struggle. Cleaning can feel like a never-ending battle. You scrub, wipe, and mop, but the mess always returns. It's exhausting. What if I told you there's a way to break the cycle? A way to stop playing catch-up and start keeping things clean with minimal time and effort? The answer: a cleaning routine. The power of consistency. A cleaning routine isn't about scrubbing for hours. It's about doing small tasks consistently. The key? Eliminate clutter before it builds up. Instead of waiting until your house is a disaster, focus on doing little things every day. Would you rather clean for 20 minutes daily or spend 5 hours each weekend catching up? The choice is clear. 3. Breaking down the routine. Simple steps. Step 1. Daily tasks, 5 to 15 minutes. Spend just a few minutes each day on the basics. Dishes, tidying up, quick vacuuming. Keep things in order so they don't pile up. Step 2. Weekly tasks, 30 to 60 minutes. Pick a day to clean the bigger tasks. Dusting, bathroom cleaning, changing linens. Spread these throughout the week to avoid overwhelm. Step 3. Monthly tasks, 1 to 2 hours. Things like cleaning windows, scrubbing the oven, or decluttering. Tackle 1 or 2 each month and spread the work out. 4. Tackling procrastination. Make it easy. We all procrastinate, but you can break this cycle by starting small. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and get moving. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in a short time. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. And don't forget to make it fun. Play music or listen to a podcast while you clean. The key is turning the chore into something you enjoy. The emotional benefit. A clean home feels good. Think about how a clean home makes you feel. Calm, peaceful, and in control. A messy house can create mental clutter, but a routine gives you peace of mind. It's not just about cleanliness. It's about feeling good in your space. 6. Why it's worth it. You may be thinking, I'm too busy for a routine. But here's the thing. Putting in a little effort daily saves you time and stress in the long run. Imagine walking into a home that's always tidy, where you can relax without worrying about the mess. That's what a routine gives you. Join our community for more powerful tips, step-by-step guides, and home care hacks that actually work. Come join our community. Get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a few surprise extras. Visit us at www.school.com. The link is in the description below. Bonus: you'll also get free access to our private community made for women, where we share real-life tips, expert advice, and keep each other motivated through the mess. This isn't just another download. It's your fast pass to smarter, stress-free home care. Celebrate your progress. It's easy to overlook the small things, but when it comes to creating a clean, calm home, those little wins are everything. Maybe you finally folded the laundry that's been sitting on the couch, or you cleared off the kitchen counters after dinner, instead of letting it wait until tomorrow. Whatever it is, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. You're building habits that will make your life easier every single day. A routine isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and intention. So give yourself credit, even if things aren't perfect yet. You're showing up, and that's what counts. Your future self will thank you for every tiny step you take today. Remember, the journey to a tidy, peaceful home starts with showing up, and you're already doing that. Share your wins and learn from others. You're not in this alone, and your story matters. We all have our own cleaning challenges and victories, and sometimes the best ideas come from someone who's been exactly where you are. Have a favorite cleaning trick? A routine that finally worked for your crazy schedule? Share it in the comments. We want to know what's working for you. Your advice could make someone else's day a whole lot easier, and you might pick up a few new ideas too. Plus, when you share, you become part of something bigger. A supportive, no-judgment community of people helping each other keep their homes and minds in order. Let's turn cleaning from a chore into a shared success story. We're in this together, so don't be shy. Jump in and connect with us. See you inside. Time to take action. Now you have the tools to develop your cleaning routine. Start small, stay consistent, And in no time, your home will stay clean with minimal effort. Dramatic pause. Ready to take control of your space? Let's make that clean home a reality. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.